What more is there to say?
So, this is going to be the stripe here, and then I'm going to put another stripe of sound deadening up here. Let's get into it. Now it's time to put on the door stay. This is the door lock. Let's screw it in. This is the door locking plate that connects to that lock, and this goes on the car. So these are the stainless steel countersunk screws from 914 Rubber, and they look so good and shiny on this car. I saw on 914 World that some people suggested using Corrosion X, and that helped with the springs not falling off, which typically happens. So I'm going to be trying out this, see how it goes. If not, I'll go back to the typical lithium grease, but testing this out. This is the triangle window seal from 914 Rubber. So this window is going to be going into the seal, and then we're going to push the seal into the pillar using the aid of soap. So I know this might look a little sketch, but this is apparently what they actually did in the factory. So, I mean, it works. I have a wood block here, I have a rag just in case, and a mallet. This is 914 Rubber's triangle window cap and screw set. And let's test fit it. Fits perfect. Oh yeah. This is a special window adjuster bolt, and it screws into the bottom of this pillar. Because no two doors are the same, these seals are made to be kind of adjustable, so you can cut a little triangle piece to widen it out so that way it fits. A little bit of trial and error, and boom. You're met with perfection. Oh yeah! We have our two seals from 914 Rubber here, and these are going to go on the car with some weather strip adhesive. I was trying to get this handle into the car, and I couldn't get it in, and I was like, what is happening? And then this little lock washer fell out, so I guess we painted it to the car. It was really locked in there, huh? Now the door will be able to latch. You may have noticed that all this trim and all the stuff that used to be silver is now white, and I think it looks sick. These are the door latch rod rubber mounts from 914 Rubber. These mounts go into these little square holes here, and I'm going to use just a little bit of soap just to get it started. It latches. This is a scissor type window regulator, which is what is in my car. It has these rollers, and this is what keeps it kind of stabilized, and these run inside the tracks. I'm going to replace this with the part from 914 Rubber. Look what I forgot to do. This is the front window channel fuzzy from 914 Rubber. This goes right in here, so I'm just going to unscrew these and then screw them through there, but should be super easy. So it really just sits in this channel right here, and it's super easy to put in. I should have put it in when it was off the car, but here's the old handle crank, and this is the new hand crank, and this one's from 914 Rubber. Let's screw it on. This is the rear fuzzy channel from 914 Rubber, and this is the actual metal piece that it sits in. So I'm going to measure this out and make sure it fits, and then I'm going to drill out a hole because a screw goes in this top piece here. I'm going to attach these two screws to the bottom of the channel, but I'm going to leave them loose so that way there's still some wiggle room. So, did I forget anything here? Yes, I did. So, there is a outer fuzzy channel that goes here, and that helps the whole window situation. I was wondering why it was so easy to fit the window in. just took the glass out to put this in. This is the outer window fuzzy, and it goes into the outer window fuzzy channel here. So it just slides right in like this. All 914 drawers are different, so this will be something that you probably will be doing because it's not going to match up perfectly on the first try. So let's get it exact. Now that I have all the right holes drilled into the channel, and I'm going to drill the holes into the fuzzy part. But first I'm going to cut off the excess fuzzy. Time to drill the holes through the fuzzy. Now we can put this on. Take 2. This is 914 Rubber's inner window fuzzy. And we're gonna put this on. Unroll the window.